I think there's another one here.
Oh, shit. Did you see where he was?
Right there.
Okay.
Somewhere in that area.
He was on the side of that black building. Left of the white.
Still at the fire truck, man.
Get one down.
I see his feet picking out. That's him. That's him. I think I got him.
All right. Oh shit.
He's dead. He's dead.
You see that flash?
Nope. What's our hard left?
Right, more right. Straight through the windshield.
Off the left corner of the black
You see that
box.
black building? You see that flash?
What, the tires?
No, that black building straight out that way. You see the white building?
Yeah.
To the left of that, just to the left of it. There's that dark building. He's on the corner.
God damn it. Okay. Whoa.
I got it covered. All right, my hop. Yeah.
Is your gun free?
Are you dead? Get rid of him. Large street, you can get going.
Whoa, that was close.
That's actually a pretty good observation booth right there.
We hold all three right now.
Hit that blue sedan in front of you. Hey, to your left. He's outside the building. We drove 6 hours for you to just lay down in the grass all day.
Hell yeah.
On the other side?
What building?
Yellow blockers like that, right behind it.
Yeah, two. Can someone make it the yellow? Watch that hole! Oh! Hit! Two! Hold on, I'm about to come over there. My bad.
God, they're raping us.
Get back and around.
Hey, Mitchell.
Check your fire, boy coming in. Move.
I threw both my nades already. That one did pretty good. Not gonna lie.
We go out there.
Hey, it's pushing right! He's dead.
They got a squad run off an HPA line instead of having to gas. You got 8? Cool. Conquest, if you let me know what objective y'all want to push, I'll let you go. Bucky's, I got 8 going to Bucky's. Good copy.
Yeah, we got 2 going with us too. Send one to medics.
My second good, go, second launch. You have contacts over there?
He's taking that corner, that's ours. We can go up to that tower so you can get overwatch for these guys.
That's kind of what I'm thinking at this point, is loop back.
Yeah.
Watch left.
Let's get covered behind right here.
Oh, I want to break the window still. It's okay.
Yeah. They can see you from right there. You gotta sprint across. All right, let's try to thin out the herd.
Like shot from the right. They're on that white building still.
Tower, tower. To your right, to your right.
I see my
Yellow, yellow.
Back line.
The medic walks up to it.
Medic, step forward. You got a safety.
That guy's out, that guy's in.
Hockey's runner front.
Grandma's clear.
I'm gonna struggle busting the AT down there. White building runner, where'd he go? He better be recording when he does this.
Yeah, I am.
Front. They just fragged the Buckies, I think. I'm gonna shift left. Or not, can't see anything.
Tower, tower, left tower. Oh shit, there's a huge wave. Tires again, tires again.
I can't shoot very far over to the left.
Save the rounds for now. That guy's dead already.
Can't see the rags half the time.
Hey, tire, tire, tire. Come to my side, come to my side, you see it. Right side of it.
Not very clearly. Over here? To the left.
To the right side of it, I get. Just a couple of them.
You almost had my number.
He didn't grab you by the ears first. Right.
I'm doing great on ammo.
Damn.
Thought I had him. God damn. Blue medic.
Where the fuck was that guy at?
Medic making a fly run.
I got him, I got him. Gonna keep suppressing the fuck out of it though.
Let's go.
Someone's like on the right getting bangers on that corner over there, and there's someone directly down to the left. I'll go up with you. Go. Oh shit! Okay, we were trying to call out for you guys.
Whiskey, whiskey, whiskey.
I see him. Dry.
Take him back.
Take it back. You said what? I was confused. What are you doing? Let's do it again.
Woo!
Fuck you, that was 30 cents.
So you guys, we're pushing the grandmas. Hold this down.
You want to go with them? I got range on this thing.
You going with him first? No, I gotta stretch my legs. Here, I'll watch this. You keep that with the reins, and I'll nade them when they get close.
See him? I see him.
See him over here.
Yeah.
There's one
Whoa! Okay, there's three.
right at my 12, right?
Damn, you guys are being stubborn. Dry. Just playing whack-a-mole at this point with these guys. They're pushing right! They're hard pushing right! Sorry!
We have a medic up here? Not to my knowledge.
I just knocked out 4 of them.
Yeah.
I think there's no one at the blue sedan, but I can't see. Far right, blue sedan!
That ricochet got me.
Sedan in front of you!
God, I wish I had a mirror
I got him. I got one.
You got him.
I got one.
Can I look at this?
Yep, he's still there. He's still there. He's still there. Yellow stack right in front. Yellow shaped one.
Whoa, shit.
You keep your gun up when you're about to peek, man.
I don't know if I can, dude. I don't think I can get that.
You want me to do it?
Where do you want it? Do you want it by that blue car right there? Or that
No, it's a yellow stack right in front of us.
I see what you're talking about, but where do you want it?
In there. It's a nade, right?
It's an aid, but do you want it in that gap or do you want
Yes, in the gap.
That's
Okay.
possible.
I'll send it. Never mind, I got him. Save it. I got him. Save it, I got
I
him.
didn't know which gap you were talking about.
The L-shaped gap, the L-shaped build
I
structure.
see what you're talking about now.
Okay, I'm sorry, man. It's just like
No,
I just took out 6 of these guys. It's like hard, straight this way. You're able to get an angle if you hug the wall.
Oh, sorry. I realized that was a hand. I got one of them.
We met.
I didn't do it.
Got it.
I'm going down.
Outside here too. That is a brave kid.
Yeah. I just kick dirt on it. What?
Round of applause. That's a first.
Hey guys,
There's the smoke.
when they said light them up, that's not what they meant.
A little less fire, a little more plastic. That was exciting.
Yeah. It's great.
Oh yeah, it's about to be 2:30 right now.
Oh shit. Someone give y'all a jump this time. Let's go kick their asses.
I saw a red package on by the Lakers on the right. Are we good to go, Thurston?
Yeah, hit it.
Copy.
Watch out, you should be able to see him right there.
Yeah, he's in the top.
Top book.
Big suppressors.
Yeah.
This guy right there, button, thing to the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see. Hold on.
I'll pour you a shot or something.
Yeah, hold on. Oh, he's up there now. Yeah, Bucky's still at low level. He's not peeking anymore. He's up there still though. Top both that window. Down the bottom too. Top window.
You need medic?
Yeah, medic in the corner. Maybe we flank left. Good, buddy. It's a grandma if they had the bomb though.
Come here, boy.
Hang on.
Damn, how many Big Macs you got, boy?
You call it. You got
Oh. Alright, I wasn't gonna leave you there, get fucking shot up, dude. Hey! Preston! Your left! Fire! Kick it out of the grass. Kick dirt on it.
Hey, it's out. Fire!
Shit!
Fire! Holy shit! Fire!
God, can't keep this field not catching fire for a second.
I got you.
All right, first squad to release to Grandma's house.
How many in the squad?
However many.
All right, 10 or 12 to Grandma's house. Raise your hand for the 10.
Is it just one window?
The windows are small.
Oh, good. Damn, they're bum rushing it. See them?
No, but that's where the objective is, to my understanding. And I do see them now. They're moving up the right. They're out of my range. They got smart.
You guys letting a bunch of red plaid shirt shooters fucking get you guys?
Hey, Grayson, I'm holding that side.
Hey! In the bank. Left window bank. Left window bank, still.
Come in, come in, come in. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. I got this. Go. They're got behind you. Get in here.
Hello, medic. Right here.
There's 8 of them going back into Grandma's.
Straight out that way. Hey, straight out this way.
Hey, watch straight out that way. We got one behind the white SUV. What is this?
Go behind that tree.
Medic!
Medic!
Hey, go back there.
Right behind you.
Yeah, I see him. I see him. Hop in the fire truck. Blast them fucking toes off.
Four didn't call anything. I just hit four like 3 times.
He's underneath that. He's underneath the fire truck shooting that little bitty hole.
Anything you can.
Yeah.
Medic!
2, 1, go! Out, go, go!
Go, go, go!
Go!
I got you covered.
Hit! Oh my fuck!
Hey, can you give us the pressure fire?
He's already on it. Let's go, let's go!
Oh, they're running to the left as well.
Hey, come on, it's clear.
Nate, you ready?
Ready? Go.
Go, 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 go!
Where we go?
Go hit the fucking objective! Keep going! Come on! Hit! Hit! You guys letting a bunch of red plaid shirt shooters fucking get you guys?
Hey, Grayson, I'm holding that side.
Hey, in the bank. Left window bank. Left window bank, still.
Come in, come in, come in. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. I got this. They're got behind you. Get in here.
You know where that's coming from?
That's fire coming from.
I don't think I hit him.
Go down. I'm passing this off to somebody else. Do what you meant. Hey, get this fun point.
I didn't realize Preston was who he was. Under the awning again. In the cars.